The president, safely ensconced in the West Wing, this is during the riot, was too busy watching fiery television images of the crisis that was unfolding around them to act or even bother to hear their cries for help. He was busy enjoying the spectacle. Trump watched with interest, buoyed to see that his supporters were fighting so hard on his behalf. Ashley, has there been an attempt at a Trump cover story for his role, his behavior, and his silence since?
There hasn't. The story we reported in the Washington Post that just posted this evening was basically inside those 6 hours on the attack on the Capitol Wednesday, from when the Capitol was first breached a little before 2 p.m. until when it was finally secured at 8 p.m. And it is sort of a full accounting of what happened, conflicted by no White House messaging or no spin or no attempts at explanation, in part because the president's Twitter feed and social media presence has been silenced. But more importantly, because there is no explanation, because as we wrote, Donald Trump sat there riveted, more like a viewer than a president, by what he was witnessing on TV, in some ways even appreciating the fervence with which his supporters were fighting for him. And the people around him are, to a person, disgusted. Now, does that mean they are resigning? Not all of them. Are they speaking out by name? Not all of them. But things are falling away for this president in a way that they have not during any other period of his presidency. And there's just simply no way you can spin that away.
Hey there, I'm Chris Hayes from MSNBC. Thanks for watching MSNBC on YouTube. If you want to keep up to date with the videos we're putting out, you can click subscribe just below me, or click over on this list to see lots of other great videos.